Data communication is the exchange of electronic information online. With the prevalence of technology, the internet has impacted our lives in both positive and negative ways. Hacking, loss of personal privacy, and farming is all over the web. As such, you have to be careful of such dangers online. In order to educate the younger students about such dangers, we have come up with a prototype to let them have a better understanding of the risks and hence make the right decision in the virtual world.
So what John did was he entered his username and password into what he assumes the real Facebook website. As you can see, he has been redirected to another Facebook page without being logged in. This is a way hackers can do phishing and farming. So the truth is that he has actually keyed in his personal information into a fake website and his data will be collected by hackers in their database. And so personal information can be stored like this way.
The prototype is about the concept of phishing and farming, whereby phishing is the attempt to obtain personal information such as passwords and credit card details for malicious reasons by disguising as a trustworthy entity in an electronic communication by definition. And farming is the fraudulent way of directing users to a mimicked website instead of the legitimate one to attempt to obtain personal information. So, the question is, how can one be protected from this type of phishing and farming attacks online? So in order for a site to be safe, it must begin with HTTPS and your browser should show an icon of a closed log. Secondly, common sense is good judgment, and good judgment is vital as keeping your computer protected with a good antivirus to block this type of attack. In addition, you should always have the most recent update on your operating system and web browsers. Thirdly, check the web browser's address bar to make sure that the spelling is correct. So for example, when you type google.com, you should see that address appearing, but the address for a farm website might be nsgoogle.com.
This activity shows the importance of viewing things from different perspectives through different angles. In this case, the ball looks like it's placed meaninglessly on top of cylinder blocks. However, if you were to slowly change your perspective and view it from a different angle, you'll come to realize that it actually forms an arrow. Now, when you come across the website, you have to ensure the steps previously mentioned and not take everything at face value in order to prevent you from dangers such as phishing or farming.
We hope that the student will be more aware of such malicious programs in the virtual world through the phishing and farming activities that we have concluded with them. So remember to check if the URL website has HTTPS and ensure that the spelling is correct, and also install antivirus on your computer. Do all this and you will be safe online. Happy serving!